Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to leave a review on Deliveroo. First, open the Deliveroo app and make sure you're logged in. Go to your order history, usually found in the main menu. Scroll through your orders and tap the one you want to review. Next, look for the Leave Feedback button and tap it. A comment box will appear. This is where you can share your thoughts about the meal, delivery time, or service. Be specific and constructive, mentioning anything positive or areas for improvement. Finally, tap Submit to send your review to the restaurant. And that's it. Your feedback helps restaurants improve and guides other customers in making informed choices. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.